Page 100, this is number 3 at the bottom of the page, is another harmonizing thingy where we get to harmonize and see what we can come up with. So I want to get the melody down first. You see, it's a 1 sharp in the key signature. We're in G major here, by the way, because it's ending on G, so all the F's are sharp. 6/8 time signatures, 8th notes. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, when I first play this, I might connect everything. I might put in the phrasing at the same time. Whatever, because you do want to put in the phrasing eventually. Just lift up between the phrases. Then I'll do the chords. Well, first, just block chords, and we'll see what they are. We have a G major 7th. Is here. Because the G7 is that, so G major. Then an E minor 7th is here. It's an E minor with a minor 7th. Then an A minor 7th with a C on the bottom. Well, the A minor 7th is here. The C on the bottom is here, so it's here. Then a D7, just a regular D7 chord. And a G7, a G major 7th, excuse me, is a G. Like we had at the beginning. E minor 7th again, like we had before. Then an A minor 7th with the C on the bottom, like we did before. Then a D7 and a G major 7th. That's sort of what it is. I don't know that I want to be up here because the melody's right here. It's awfully close together. But that's the idea. And then I want to hear what that harmony sounds like with the melody. So we'll play them together. C on the bottom here. A minor 7th. D7. G major 7th. E minor 7th. And back to the A minor here. Yeah, it's edgy, but it seems to work. And then I'll think about, well, once I'm comfortable with where these chords are and the inversions used and so forth, do I want to do anything with the rhythm or the patterns or broken chords or whatever? I don't know. I'll leave that up to you and how you want to improvise that left hand as far as rhythm and breaking up the chords and whatnot.